In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare and save a calendar layout spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel as a CSV file. To get started, open your calendar layout spreadsheet inside Microsoft Excel. Once the file is open, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct worksheet and that you can clearly see the table you'll be working with. This is important because the structure of the spreadsheet needs to be clean and consistent before you save it in another format. If your spreadsheet already contains data, that's fine, but you'll want to focus especially on the top row, since this is where the column headers should go. Next, format your columns using these exact header titles: subject, start date, start time, end date, and end time. Enter each of these headers into its own column across the top of the spreadsheet. Be careful to match the wording exactly, including spacing, because header names often need to follow a specific format when the file will be used for calendar-related importing or organization. A small typo in a header can sometimes cause issues later, so it's worth taking an extra second to double-check each one. As you enter the headers, try to keep the layout neat and easy to read. You may want to widen the column slightly if the text looks cramped, just so everything is visible at a glance while you work. This doesn't change the content of the file, but it can make the setup process smoother and help you confirm that each field is in the right place. At this stage, your spreadsheet should clearly show the 5 columns in this order: subject, start date, start time, end date, and end time. Once your column headers are set correctly, the final step is to save the file in CSV format. Go to the File menu, then click Save As. Choose the location where you want to store the file, and in the File Type or Format dropdown, select CSV, which appears as CSV, delimited. CSV. This format is widely used because it creates a simple file that can be read by many other programs and platforms. After selecting CSV, save the file. If Excel displays a warning that some features may not be compatible with the CSV format, that's normal. CSV files are designed to store plain spreadsheet data, so formatting and certain Excel-specific features won't carry over. In this case, that's expected, so you can continue with the save. And that's it. Your calendar layout spreadsheet is now properly formatted and saved as a CSV file.